Bagong truck, bagong business, bagong kita. Start strong. Start with a brand new Shopman, Lonking, and Bow Trucks. Whether for holding, deliveries, or long trips, we got the right unit for you. Matibay, matipid, and ready for heavy duty for you. We are open to cash, bank financing, or in-house financing. Mag-message lang sa aming Facebook page or tumawag sa aming linya. Don't wait for the right time. Drive for success today.